C1 UAV is a fixed-wing UAV with large load and long flight time. Vertical takeoff and land in fixed-wing flight mode, fast takeoff, high efficiency. The whole fuselage is made of aviation carbon fiber composite material, high strength and lightweight. Forward wing forward sweep down reverse, rear wing up reverse design, very high lift drag ratio and high aspect ratio wing design. Aerodynamic resistance is reduced by using wing area load capacity. Meet various application scenarios. Available with a variety of conventional pod cameras on the market. Easily complete multi-purpose scenario requirements. Equipped with relay communication equipment to maintain stable communication. Large machine storage capacity can be installed various equipment. The maximum load is 45 kilograms and the maximum takeoff weight is 100 kilograms. The aircraft is designed with a modular power system, optional gasoline engine or jet kerosene engine. Equipped with gasoline engine load fuel and load 45 kilograms, fuel consumption of 5 liters per hour. Carrying kerosene engine load fuel and load 40 kilograms, fuel consumption of 2.5 liters per hour. It is equipped with a 1 kilograms jet fuel engine and can cruise for up to 18 hours. Equipped with communication module, gasoline engine version has a range of 9 hours, while heavy gasoline engine has a range of 18 hours. This is the C1 heavy load, long endurance vertical takeoff and landing fixed wing UAV.